Hello viewers, today we resume with our series Digestive Drug by Douglas Borland, and for today we have the drug Argentum nitricum. Under this drug, Borland gives the symptoms related to stomach, intestines, abdomen, liver, rectum, digestion, etc. for the homeopathy medicine Argentum nitricum, published in his book Digestive Drugs in 1940. The condition I tend to associate with Argentum nitricum is the typical flatulent dyspepsia. It is indicated in definite gastric ulcer, but always a gastric ulcer which is associated with intense flatulence. A feeling of acute distension and Argentum nitricum symptoms referred to later. The picture is of a nervous makeup, the typical anticipation neurosis which one commonly associates with Argentum nitricum in all its complaints. Not infrequently, this remedy is indicated in people who have been overworking, getting overtired, or whose digestion is giving out in consequence. And these patients, as a rule, give the history that the first sign they get from becoming overtired is a sense of brain fag and the development of headache, coming on usually at the end of day's work. And with that brain fag, they get feeling that they will not be able to carry on with their work, that they are going to have a nervous breakdown, or that they are going to have a gastric or duodenal ulcer. They always have a marked sensitiveness to heat in any form, particularly closed rooms, a stuffy atmosphere of any kind, and when they feel below par, they develop acute sensitiveness to any crowded place. A room full of people, a theatre, a church, in fact a crowd of people anywhere. All their digestive upsets are liable to be brought on or made very much worse from anticipating any important engagement which they have to keep. One of their most troublesome complaints is a feeling of intense abdominal distension with violent efforts to bring up wind which they cannot expel. And then after the effort has stopped, the wind gurgles up on its own account. Very often you will hear the statement that the pain is very acute and they feel they are full to bursting point. They get marked relief from a very dilute alcohol. It seems to break the wind and they immediately become very much more comfortable. In acute digestive upsets, they develop an extreme desire for cold foods, cold drinks, iced foods, and as they have a definite desire for sweet things in any form, you find the Argentum nitricum patients have a strong desire for ice creams. The cold food and cold drinks seems to relieve abdominal pain, but as a rule, ice cream makes them worse. They are very fond of sweets, which always tend to increase their digestive difficulty. The appetite is usually fairly good, and these patients have a marked desire for strong tasting pungent foods. Very often there is a history of the pains developing immediately after the patient has taken any food. They continue getting worse for about an hour and then there is vomiting with relief. Sometimes the pain does not develop until half an hour after a meal and then becomes steadily worse until the patient vomits. The pain usually starts right in the middle of epigastrium and tends to spread from there round towards left side of the abdomen under the left ribs. In acute gastritis or gastric ulceration, they get a good deal of vomiting and the vomit may be blood-streaked or definite coffee grounds. These patients often suffer from quite acute nausea, and occasionally you come across an Argentum nitricum patient who tells you that sour drinks will relieve the nausea. But usually the Argentum nitricum gastric upsets are made much worse by sour fluids or sour foods. There is frequently a history of chronic, very troublesome diarrhea. Associated with that, there is a very useful point to remember as regards the appearance of the tongue. When the disturbance is mainly of upper digestive tract, the typical Argentum nitricum tongue is rather pale, flabby tongue which is somewhat dry. But when there is a chronic bowel irritation, the tongue is liable to become smoother, redder, and looks rather as if the papillae has been flattened out. It is still dry and the mouth is still hot, but the appearance is quite different from that in acute gastric upsets. That's all for today. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.